Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up brand safe typography rules for YouTube titles, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by analyzing your target audience. Consider the demographics and preferences of your viewers. Identify the tone and personality of your brand. Choose a font that reflects your brand identity. Select a primary font for your titles. Ensure it is easy to read at a glance. Opt for a secondary font for contrast if needed. Maintain consistency by limiting your choice to 2 or 3 fonts. Use a legible font size that stands out against various backgrounds. Test the visibility of your text in different screen sizes. Keep your titles concise and impactful. Limit character counts to enhance readability. Choose colors that align with your brand palette. Ensure there is enough contrast between text and background. Avoid using overly decorative fonts that may distract. Establish a hierarchy in your title designs. Use bolder styles for important keywords. Consider the use of capital letters to emphasize points. Ensure your typography aligns with YouTube's community guidelines. Regularly review your typography rules for relevance. Adapt your typography as your brand evolves over time. Save the typography rules in a guide for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.